number 9, you're up next. Bringing up another heat, Sportsman stock truck, non-timing, 17.5. Wayne Wyrick out front early on. He is our class 2, Sportsman not too flat. Right now we can go 15, 5-11 for Wayne. Joe Perez runs second, and Randy Angelito running third spot. Belmonte and Grunt and Randall, you running order? 1 minute down and 4 minutes to go. Still Wayne Wyrick out front. Now on a 15-5-13 run. Angelito on 14 with a 1. Joe Perez on 14 with a 2. Belmonte on 14-15. Andrade 13-10. And Randall on 13-17. So every driver going faster than he went in that first round of qualifying. So far at least. Leader is running here to the center of the track over the OCRC tabletop. Into the wagon wheel. Blue, orange, and red down the straightaway. 21-1. Wayne last time around. 20-27 the fast lap. No one else even close. Martin. Two down, 3 to go, Joe. 3 minutes left to go. Wayne and Joe. Both with their 15-lap run count. Wayne working here into the wagon wheel. The backside of Angelito running third. Joe Perez now taking over the top spot by half a second. Joe Perez also on a TQ run off top in that hairpin. Oh, Wayne getting all mixed up with the turn marshals there. So Wayne's going to lose some steer this time. See how Joe Perez fared in that one. Perez in the number 2 truck coming in the wagon wheel and by the line. Continues to lead the way on a 15-lap run. Randy Angelito now second, running 2 seconds back, and Wyrick 5 seconds almost out of that lead. So we very well could see a new TQ here in Sportsman stock truck. Oh, that didn't sound good. Minute 45 left to go for Joe Perez. 14 laps, 5 flat point to lead. TQ time to beat is 14, 5 flat point 4. So Perez right now 1/10 of a second faster than that TQ time. Anything underneath the 21.4 is going to help him out. 21.4s are going to keep him right where he's at. Anything slower than 21.4 is going to slow him down and take him off that TQ pace. Coming up close to that 1 minute mark. And there it goes, everyone now off of the TQ time to beat. With 03 out front and 03 running second and 04. Perez, Wyrick, and Angelito 1, 2, and 3. 1 minute left. What's up, Mark? 45 seconds left to go. Oh, hey, Jimmy. How's the view down there? Oh, Perez driving the pipe. We're going to have a new leader now. Could be Wyrick back out front. Doesn't look like anyone's going to get the TQ again in this round. So that'll leave the door open for the next group of drivers to try and get that TQ time away. Seconds left to go on the race clock, guys. We're going to keep it going. And that is time. Keep going for that crawl. The whole race done. Still racing out there. Waiting for 2 cars to finish. And after race, guys, 4 laps, pull off, come back out and mark.